What would happen if the two most powerful nations on Earth went to war? Could China defeat the United States? Or would America's military power overwhelm China before the conflict spreads across the world? Because if World War III ever begins, there's a terrifying chance this could become the main battlefield of the 21st century. And the outcome may decide the future of the entire world. The rising tension for years, tensions between China and the United States, have continued growing. The South China Sea, Taiwan, cyber warfare, military expansion. All of them are increasing pressure between the world's two largest superpowers. China is rapidly modernizing its military and expanding its influence across Asia. Meanwhile, the United States still controls the world's strongest alliance network, including NATO and major Pacific allies like Japan and South Korea. And if conflict begins, both sides would move incredibly fast. China's advantage. China has one major advantage: geography. Any war near Taiwan or the South China Sea would happen close to Chinese territory. That means faster troop movement, shorter supply lines, strong missile coverage, rapid military deployment. China also has the world's largest navy by number of ships, advanced hypersonic missiles, massive drone production, powerful cyber warfare capabilities. Some experts believe China could launch large cyber attacks against American communication systems before the first shots are even fired. And if satellites or internet systems are targeted, modern warfare could become extremely chaotic. America's advantage. But the United States has advantages China cannot ignore. America still operates the most powerful global military network on Earth. The U.S. Air Force and Navy remain among the strongest in the world. America also has advanced stealth aircraft, massive aircraft carrier groups, global military bases, nuclear submarines hidden across the oceans. And unlike China, the United States has decades of real combat experience. If war begins, America would likely receive support from allies, including Japan, South Korea, Australia, NATO members, which could turn a regional war into a massive global conflict. The economic disaster. But here's the terrifying reality. Even before one side wins, the global economy could already collapse. China and America are deeply connected through trade, technology, and manufacturing. If war breaks out, global markets could crash, supply chains may collapse, fuel prices could explode, internet systems may become unstable. Factories around the world depend heavily on Chinese manufacturing. At the same time, global finance still depends heavily on the United States, which means almost every country on Earth would feel the impact. The danger of escalation. The greatest danger is not just conventional war, it's escalation. A cyber attack could lead to missile strikes. Missile strikes could trigger naval warfare. And if either side feels cornered, the risk of nuclear escalation becomes terrifyingly real. Both countries possess powerful nuclear arsenals capable of destroying entire cities within minutes. That's why many experts believe a direct war between China and the United States could become one of the most dangerous conflicts in human history. So, who would really win World War III? China has geography, manufacturing power, and rapidly growing military technology. America has global alliances, combat experience, and unmatched worldwide military reach. But the truth is, in a war between these two superpowers, there may be no real winner. Because the economic destruction, cyber attacks, and global chaos could affect nearly every country on Earth. And the real question is, if China and the United States ever go to war, would modern civilization survive the consequences? Subscribe to Global War Watch